Hello, this is Leo from Napkin Machines, and we are the packing machine manufacturer with 15 years old. Now here is our horizontal packing machine workshop, and today I would like to introduce our flow packing machines for the tableware with our colleague Lucas.
Hi everyone, this is Lucas from Lampet. Now let us see how the machine works.
And this one is the tissue folding machine. And the tissue will be go through by the conveyor, feeding the fork, feeding the spoon, and feeding the fork. Then go through the sealing part. Here is sorting machine device, and then the outputting. You can see that the sealing. One, two, three, four. After watching the whole line machines workings, now I will introduce the machine separates. And this one is the tissue folding machines. And here is the electric sensor for detecting the film, it is enough or not. And about the film width of the standard machine is 320. If you have other size of it, we could customize for you. And then the roll film is worked by the servo motor. And here is the embossing mode for your logos and other printing you want. And here is our folding part. You could see that we have one, two, three folding modes for the foldings to ensure the tissue will be like our customer want. And we also have a detective sensor to make sure the tissue is on the right ways of the transfer. And this one is the pressing device for make the tissue more closer. And here also have an anti-static device for and then the tissue will go through by the pressing roll to the cutter. And you can see that this is the cutter here. After cutting, the tissue will be transferred by the conveyor and then folding.
Okay, now let me introduce the cutlery fitting part for you. As you can see, there are 4 automatic cutlery fitter and all of them are customized for our customers. Now let us take one of them as example to show you the detail for you. And this part can be divided into 4 parts. The first part is the electric eye sensor. This sensor is to identify the height of the cutlery by here. And if the height of the cutlery lower the preset height, and if the electric eye sensor will send a signal to the motor, and the motor will automatically raise up the height of the cutlery from here. Another eye sensor is to identify whether the sucker is successfully sucking the cutlery from here and fitting into the conveyor belt. Second part is the motor, and all of the motor is controlled by the servo driver. And the third part is the cutlery storage belt, and the width of this is need to be customized according to your specific size of the cutlery. And this is the conveying belt to raise up the height of the cutlery here. The last part is the sucker, and the sucker will automatically sucking the cutlery from here and then fitting them into the conveyor belt.
Then goes through the last part of the whole life. And this is the sealing part with our full packing machines. And here is the backformer. The film will go through this backformer and then go through the center sealing device. and then go through the air exhausting device, and then the cutter, and finish the whole line.
Okay, here is the control panel. This is the temperature controller, and it can be adjustable according to your material of the field. And here's the touch screen, and all the parameter of this machine we will set up before the delivery. And there are two parameters you just need to set up. One is the bed lamp, and you can change the bed lamp by here. It's very easy to do that. And the another parameter is the packing speed. You can change the packing speed by there.
Okay, I totally got what you mean, and I think it would be very easy operation. So may I know more about the electric components? Could you show me around the electric box?
Yes, that's no problem. Let us show you.
Here is our electric box, and you can see that.
Here is the 3 servo control. And as for here, this is the PLC. You are Dr. Welcome.
I believe after watching our videos, you have a basic knowledge about the flow packing machine. And if you have any other requirements or any other questions, please feel free to contact us.
Thanks for your watching.
Thanks a lot.